The US just gave India a 30-day pass to buy Russian oil, and the reason isn't Russia. It's the crisis in the Middle East. As tensions disrupt energy flows to the Persian Gulf, Washington has now issued a temporary waiver allowing Indian companies to buy Russian crude that was already loaded onto ships before March 5. A 30-day license from the US Treasury now allows those cargoes to be purchased as long as the oil is delivered to India and bought by an Indian firm. The measure expires April 4. US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent called the waiver a stopgap measure meant to keep oil flowing into global markets. It only applies to cargoes already stranded at sea, which he said limits any significant financial benefit to Russia. Ship tracking firm Kepler estimates nearly 11 million barrels of Russian crude are sitting on idling tankers in Asian waters, cargoes that could now head to India. India ramped up purchases of Russian oil after Moscow's 2022 invasion of Ukraine, drawn by discounted cargoes. However, in recent months, the Trump administration had tried to curb that trade, imposing tariffs on Indian goods and sanctioning Russia's two largest oil producers. Now the temporary waiver comes as supplies from the Persian Gulf face disruption, with Strait of Hormuz effectively closed. As a result, some refiners are already feeling the strain. For example, India's Mangalore refinery and petrochemicals has shut one crude processing unit due to low stockpiles. But the temporary license does little to address separate disruptions to imported gas and cooking fuel supplies that India heavily depends on. And many analysts say real relief will only come once shipments through the Strait of Hormuz resume.